This is gonna be a video documentary of everything I do for the rest of my life. Nice.
Hey guys, and welcome, Knick Knack, Paddywhack, give your dog the best bone, back to my channel. Insert title, name of the video right here. Today we are going to be making pancakes because I have to make dinner and yeah, pancakes are easy. So let's see here. We are going to want 13 to 14 4-inch pancakes. So let's spread our ingredients. These chips aren't part of the ingredient list. I was just hungry, so. Okay. So the first ingredient is pancake mix, of course. If I can open it. Your straw. Okay. And it says we need 1 cup. It says we need 1 cup of pancake mix. Or actually it says 1 3/4 cup.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, so after the 1 3/4 cups mix, we need 1 cup of cold water and 1/3 cup of milk. Now, you know me, we don't use milk, we use almond milk in this family, in this household. So, and I usually don't put water in pancakes only because it tastes gross. Well, I mean, it doesn't really have a difference in taste, but like almond milk is like not milk in its own right, so it's technically okay. Now I am using cup measurements here, but usually I will just.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'm getting everything outside the bowl. Okay, now it says we need 1 egg. Look at this egg. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I put cinnamon in my pancakes just because flavor. Let y'all know about it. Also, if you do want to have like a cinnamon toast kind of pancake, also put some brown sugar in there. That's the little. Making pancakes, making gluten-free pancakes. You take the gluten right out of the pancake. This is really good batter, actually. Usually it takes me a while to get this good. Basically, you kind of want it to like drizzle like that, you know? Yeah.
Let's play a little game just between you and I. Do commercial break.
Are you alone? Well, that's great. Now introducing our new and improved formula for loneliness.
Please talk to me. Somebody please talk to me.
To make you not lonely. It's called Don't Be Lonely.
Commercial break.
Okay, so I think our pan is ready. So now we are just going to make something very simple.
Hey, it's voiceover Jaden. I skipped through this 4 minutes worth of footage because all I did was finish cooking the pancakes. So, yeah.
Okay. So it's been about an hour, and I have all my pancakes made. Don't mind while they're all made like mini pancakes. So now we're gonna have a taste test. We have pancake, blackberries, raspberries, peanut butter, syrup. I don't even know what it is. Ooh, that was juicy. Taste test. This is. Who am I kidding? These things were disgusting.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more content coming your way. Jaden out.